Looking for an action camera that can truly keep up with your lifestyle? The GoPro Hero 12 is built exactly for that, and more. Right from the start, this camera delivers stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, giving you ultra-sharp footage with incredible detail. Whether you're filming adventures, travel, or everyday moments, everything looks cinematic. And if you prefer photos, the 27-megapixel sensor captures crisp, vibrant images with impressive clarity. One of the standout features is HDR video and photo capability, which balances highlights and shadows beautifully. That means better colors, more detail, and more realistic shots, even in challenging lighting. But let's talk about what GoPro is really known for: stabilization. With advanced hyper-smooth stabilization, your footage stays incredibly smooth, even during intense motion like biking, running, or action sports. No gimbal needed. The Hero 12 is also fully waterproof, so you can take it into the rain, the ocean, or the pool without any extra housing. Perfect for diving, surfing, or capturing underwater scenes. Another big advantage is versatility. You can use it for live streaming, turning your adventures into real-time content, or switch it into webcam mode, making it ideal for creators and remote work setups. Battery performance has also improved, giving you longer recording times so you can shoot more without interruptions. The interface is simple and intuitive, making it easy for beginners while still offering advanced features for experienced users. From travel vlogs to extreme sports, from YouTube content to everyday filming, this camera adapts to your needs. Compact, powerful, and incredibly reliable, the GoPro Hero 12 is designed to capture life without limits. If you want professional quality footage in a small, rugged package, this might be the perfect camera for you. Check the link in the description to learn more.